Hi everyone, I'm Amber from Sweet Am's Cookies. In this tutorial, I'm doing something a little different. I'll show you how I made these shimmering cake pops. I added a filigree design to mine, but you can leave that off if you're not comfortable piping. I think they would still look really pretty without it with this shimmering luster dust finish. So let me show you how I made them. Start out by crumbling a baked cake into a large bowl. I just used a boxed yellow cake mix. You can use your favorite cake recipe. I was able to make about 28 pops from this cake. Add a half cup of frosting to the cake. You can use canned frosting or make it yourself. My buttercream recipe is in the description. Mix the frosting into the cake by hand. Take a piece of the mixture and make sure it holds together. If it's not holding together, you can add more frosting. Melt a bag of chocolate candy melts. This is about 2 cups. I used Wilton brand. Use a tablespoon to measure the cake pop mixture. Roll 1 tablespoon at a time. Dip a lollipop stick into the melted chocolate and insert it into the cake pop. I'm using Wilton 6-inch lollipop sticks. See the description for the full list of supplies you'll need for this project. Allow the chocolate to set. If it's not too hot where you are, just leave them out at room temperature. But if it is very hot, it's better to put them in the fridge for a few minutes. If you don't have a cake pop holder, you can make your own by cutting X shapes in a cardboard box. Dip the cake pops into the melted chocolate. Place the cake pops into the pop holder and allow the chocolate to set. Pour the remaining melted chocolate into a piping bag. Cut a small opening in the bag. Pipe a filigree design on the cake pop with the melted chocolate. You can practice this on parchment paper first, or you can do a different design like dots or stripes. Place the cake pop back into the holder and allow the filigree design to set. I'm dusting these cake pops with TruColor luster dust. Apply the luster dust with a dry brush. I love these luster dusts because they're so shiny and they're made with natural food coloring. I did notice that the pink and the blue faded a little bit over time, so just keep that in mind when you make these. I had mine out on the counter on a sunny day, so I think that contributed to the colors fading. So if you keep them away from the light, I think they should be fine. And these are the finished cake pops. I loved how these turned out and they taste so good. You can make these for any occasion. They can be for a birthday, for graduation, Father's Day, a wedding, whatever you like. So I hope you have fun making your cake pops. If you have any suggestions for a design you'd like to see me do in a future video, just let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Bye!